Good morning, students. Yesterday I explained you page number 15 and 16 of the chapter A Shot in the Dark. Now I am going to explain page number 17 and 18. Students, as you know that in this chapter Philip was traveling by a train to meet with a influential lady Salpen Jago. From her, she wanted the benefit to become the MP in the parliament. When he was traveling, at that time, Bertie, who was the second son of the lady, that is Salpen Jago, was in his cabin, and unfortunately, he forget his coin purse at home, and he brings another purse with him. When he came to know that Philip was going to meet with his mother, he became happy and he asked him to give him 3 or shilling or pound. First, Philip admitted to give the money, but after some confusion, he refused it. So, here Philip is asking to the boy that what is your crest. The boy told him that he has a dandelion holding a crosslet in its paws. It means that Philip is asking to the boy that what is your uh, crosslet. It means that what is your निशान क्या है आपका. Then when he told that it is a dandelion holding a crosslet in its paws, then Philip told him that once your mother write me and she told me that her crosslet is a grey hound. So you are talking about the dandelion. So there is a tinge of coldness in his voice. Then the boy, that is the Jago Crest, responded the youth promptly. Here the boy is saying that we use both because both are belong to us, and the dandelion is the Salpen Crest, so I use it because we are really Salpens. Then there is some silence in the compartment of the train, and after some time, when the boy is moving from the station, he said that now my station is come. Then he said that if you met with my mother, then you have got benefit because she knows many political friends, and that is a good platform for you. And then he said that how is she looking? The boy said she is like me, fair complexion and dark brown hair. When I get out from and I came here, I met with her before 6 months ago. Then Philip is saying goodbye to him, but the young boy said that you are forgetting something because you promised me to give the 3 pound or 3 shilling. But Philip said that I have some doubt of your crest, and what you have told about your mother, both are different things. So I cannot give you the money. Then the train is leaving. So the son of the Saltpen Jago moved from there. He take his belonging and move from there, and Philip is thinking that he go do a good job, and when he reached there on the dinner table, when he is discussing all the things, they are very happy and they thought that how clever I was. When he reached at the Chakshire, a person came to him who is Claude people, that is a lawyer, to attend him, and he is taking him in his very luxurious car that is designed very beautifully. So he is talking about that his grandfather used to travel in horse-drawn carriage and all the things. Now when Philip is moving to the Chokshire at the house of Saltpen, his eyes were fixed on the door panel where the crest is running, and both crests are there, Greyhound and the Demi-Lion holding its paw across crosslet. Now Claude is describing him about the home and all the things that is related to the Saltpen, about the political gossip, personal insight, and general observation of the lady. He said that she is a very good she had a very good personality. She is a brilliant woman. She is clear thinking, and she also knows that what is right and what is wrong, and she do all the things in its correct time. But one thing that she do wrong, there is a idiotic change. So here Philip Saltbury asked that what change is there. Then he said that of course she is very beautiful and she had dark brown hair, but she gave a electrify to everyone by blonding her hair. That ruined her looks. After telling all the things, Flip was very shocked and her face is looking ill. So the Claude asked him that what is the matter? Why are you looking ill? So student, I told here that if he will help, he help the Bertie, who is the son of Saltpen Jago. It is quite possible that she will help him to become the MP of the parliament because she is a influential lady. But by the mistake, by the misconception, he lost the chance because he has some doubt about the Bertie, and so he refused to help him. Clear student? I think that you understood it. Thank you. You will write word meaning of the chapter. Thank you.